Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify not connecting. To know how to fix or to solve Spotify not connecting, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window or to the app of Spotify. Then this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click on storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will find here Spotify music and podcasts. If you will find here update in this blue sign, then you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.